Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'd like to give you an update of my MSME Manager app. So in the last video, Claude worked on module 3 and I had module 4 through to 10 to complete. So if I just quickly bring up my skills manager app file here. So I've got about 10 modules. So in the last video, Claude Code completed module 3 and we were about to work on module 4. Well, in the last hour or so, I completed all the modules with Claude Code. So we worked from module 4 through to module 10. So basically just setting up our customers, the service, that's the different services that I will provide, for example, training, consulting, etc. All the sales information will be registered here. And then, of course, I can generate invoices, payments, receipts, and also manage my expenses. In terms of the reporting, I will do the reporting in Power BI. So all the data will be in the database, in Superbase, and of course I'll connect Power BI to that to do my reporting, and I'll embed the report here. So that's why it's not set up. And then as you guys can see, I did some sort of color. I updated the color theme as well to my business color theme, which is purple and white. So I worked on all the modules and the color theme with Claude, and I sort of used up all my tokens. So it's going to reset in a few minutes time. So I thought I'd just do this video to give you all an update. So yeah, basically I completed all the modules from module 4 right up to 10, and that's setting up the services, the invoice, payment, receipt, expenses, and also the color theme, okay, in the last hour or so. And that sort of used up all my tokens. But not to worry, it's going to reset in about 18 minutes time. So I'll just wait and then sort of continue the next phase of the project. So basically this is what the app looks like. It's simple. It just gets the job done. And for me, once again, it's all about the process of how I'm going to work with Claude Code or work with an AI tool to build an app. I think the idea is that maybe the app doesn't look too beautiful for now, but that's not the main issue. But that's not the main point. My main point right now, like I said, is to work on the process and set up the main functionalities that I would need in an app to help me manage my business. Okay, so this is the latest so far, and I'm going to continue working with Claude when when my session resets in about 18 minutes time. Well, what are you guys building with an AI tool? Are you working on any project? Please comment below so we can all learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.